Hello guys, today we are discussing about glycolysis cycle for competitive exam NEET, and it is also a topic of 11 NCERT. Glycolysis. Here glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of hexakinase enzyme. Hexakinase enzyme with the utilization of ATP, it means ATP खर्च होगा, ADP plus inorganic phosphate पे. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate. The presence of isomerase enzyme. Fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. In the presence of phosphofructokinase. Phosphofructokinase. Utilization of ATP. इधर भी एक ATP यूटिलाइज होगा, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ATP plus inorganic phosphate. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted into 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerate. Or it is also called as 3-PGA. In the presence of aldolase enzyme. Aldolase enzyme के presence में fructose 1,6-phosphate is converted into 2 molecule of a 3-phosphoglycerate. It is an isomerase of dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Or it is also called as diacetone phosphate. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Now ये जो 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerate, it is converted into 2 molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyseric acid. In the presence of dehydrogenase enzyme. Dehydrogenase enzyme, formation of NADH take place. Now this 2 molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyseric acid in the presence of transphosphorinase enzyme. Whenever the transphosphorinase enzyme comes, there is a reduction of 1 ATP. Two molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyseric acid is converted into 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Now the presence of mutase enzyme. This 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 molecule of 2-phosphoglyceric acid. In the presence of enolase enzyme, this 2 molecule of 2-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 molecule of 2-phosphophenol pyruvic acid, 2-phosphophenol pyruvic acid. Now, this 2 molecule of 2-phosphophenol pyruvic acid in the presence of pyruvic acid kinase enzyme and in the presence of magnesium ion. Here ATP production take place. ADP plus inorganic phosphate is converted into ATP. It is converted into 2 molecule of a pyruvic acid. So here is a complete process of glycolysis. मैं एक और बार इसे रिपीट कर देती हूँ. Here 2 NADP plus 2H2, 2 NADH plus 2H plus. Here this glycolysis pathway take place 2 times. That means that's why we are written 2. So the 2 ATP बनाएगा, 2 ATP प्लस इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फेट 2 ATP बनाएंगे. It means 1 NADH. It means 3 ATP मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2 बिकॉज ये जो साइकिल है 2 बार रिपीट होती है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. तो इट इज 6 ATP टोटल. 2 ATP का फॉर्मेशन हुआ था, एक बार यहाँ एक बार यहाँ. 2 ATP का फॉर्मेशन हुआ था. 2 into 2 is 4 ATP. Total 10 ATP. And in the beginning of process in hexakinase and phosphofructokinase 2 ATP utilized हुए थे, 2 ATP consumed. So total 10 ATP minus 2 ATP, it is 8 ATP for glycolysis. Firstly, glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of hexakinase. So ATP का utilization करके in the presence of hexakinase, ATP utilization करके glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate in the presence of isomerase enzyme. Glucose is converted into fructose. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Presence of phosphofructokinase enzyme with the utilization of ATP. Fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate in the presence of aldolase enzyme. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted into 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglycerate. Then the isomerase of dihydroxyacetone phosphate dehydrogenase. It is a dehydrogenase. That is a dehydrogenase enzyme. 2H2 plus 2 NAD प्लस रिडक्शन होगा 2 NADH प्लस 2H प्लस में the presence of dehydrogenase 3-phosphoglycerate is converted into 2 molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid. Transphosphorylase enzyme with the presence of transphosphorylase enzyme with the production of ATP. 2 molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid. The presence of lutase enzyme 2 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 molecule of phosphoglyceric acid. In the presence of enolase enzyme 2 molecule of 2-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2 molecule of 2-phosphophenol pyruvic acid. Presence of pyruvic acid kinase and magnesium enzyme 2 molecule of 2-phosphophenol pyruvic acid is converted into 2 pyruvic acid. 1 NADH 3 ATP होता है. ये जो साइकिल है ऑपरेट हुई है 2 टाइम, तो ये जो होगा 3 ATP इंटू 2 6 ATP, 2 बार ATP बने हैं तो 2 इंटू 2 4 ATP, ठीक है। टोटल 10 ATP एंड स्टार्टिंग में 2 ATP यहाँ कंज्यूम्ड हुए तो 10 ATP माइनस 2 ATP, टोटल 10 ATP. So how many ATP are produced in a glycolysis cycle? 8 ATP. Thank you.